Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did this twist out. Now it is not my best twist out, but as you can see from today's title, I'm going to show you how to still be able to rock a wearable twist out in case you run into some issues as you're styling your hair. So as you can see right now, I have about 15 to 20 twists in my hair, and I just went on ahead and sprayed it with a bit of water. You may recognize the bottle throughout the video, but just know that it is plain water in that bottle. I like the way that the water mists out of it, so that's why I use it. And I am going to put a little bit of my oil blend onto my hair, and you can use coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, almond oil, any carrier oil of your choice. You can use that to just apply to your hair. So after I apply the oil to all of the twists, and mind you, I only use a little bit of it, I go ahead and separate the twists. And so this is what my hair looks like after I have separated them just one time. So as you can see, it doesn't really have any thickness or fullness. You can see the definition of the twist, but that's about it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to separate out my hair, and this is where I ran into a couple of issues. Now, as you can probably see, my hair needs a major trim. My hair also was not washed at this time. It was dirty pretty much, so I probably hadn't washed my hair, I would say, in a couple of weeks. So you can really see that I didn't really have that natural sheen to my hair or anything like that. So my hair was suffering today, okay? I'm gonna be completely honest. My hair was suffering, but I really wanted to wear a twist out, and so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try and make it work. Okay, so it was probably at this point when I realized, okay, this twist out is going to probably fail, but I'm going to still do my best because I've already started the process. Now, you know, sometimes when you get started on a hairstyle, because of time or your schedule, you really just have no choice but to continue with it. You don't have any time to try to change it up or anything like that. So, like I said, I was willing to just try and see what came out of it. As always, when I want more volume for any of my hairstyles, I will grab a pick or something of that sort and lift my roots with it. Now, in this case, I was doing that, but I felt like I was just doing it so much and really wasn't seeing the results that I normally did. So I knew today was just not one of those days for my hair. It probably just preferred to be like up in a puff or something like that. But as you know, I'm trying to stay away from doing the puffs for a little while. But I always like to shake my hair as well. That just kind of helps bring it all together. And as you can see, I am really not feeling it at all. I probably made that face at least 10 times throughout this video. So right now I'm just spraying my hair again with water. And that bottle is just plain water, nothing else. And usually after I do my twist outs, sometimes I'll spray my hair with just water, and it kind of like plumps my hair up a little bit and kind of makes it a little bit fuller. So I usually do that, and I only do a little bit of it. I don't overdo it at all because, again, I don't want my hair to shrink, and I don't want to lose any curl definition that I have. So sometimes a little tug on your hair will kind of help bring it to the shape that you want. Now, I'm not saying that that's a guarantee, but sometimes I just kind of do that, just kind of tug on it a little bit to just kind of get it to hang down to my liking. So I was really struggling, y'all. Like, I was struggling so hard with this twist out. The video, I don't know how long it's going to end up being, maybe 10 minutes or so, but it took me a while to just try and get this twist out to work. And I feel like the more I played with it, it stopped looking like a twist out and it just started looking like something else. I don't know what it looked like, but it just looked like something. But I can say that after a while, I was just like, you know what? I kind of like the way that it looks. It's not what I intended on it looking like, but you know what? It's still full, it's still cute in its own little way, and you know, it still has some kind of personality, you know. So anyways, I went on ahead, you know, I had to do makeup. I felt like today was just one of those days. I had to put on a little bit of makeup. I had to put on a little bit of makeup because I was like, I don't know. But, you know, I feel like it all just came together, and it actually came out really cute. I wasn't expecting it to actually be as cute as it was. But yeah, sometimes you just have to really play around with your hair, even on those days when you feel like you have bad hair days or your hair just doesn't turn out the way that you expect or want it to. You really just have to work with it. You have to let your confidence shine through regardless, okay? That's like one of the main things, especially if you're like a newly natural or if you're transitioning. You just have to let your natural confidence shine through. So here are a few pictures of what my hair looked like actually at the end of the day. So that's how it turned out, and I was very pleased, and I hope you guys liked today's video. If you want to check me out on Instagram, you can at The4cProject. I'm also on Facebook as well. Make sure you go ahead and like my page over there. Thanks guys so much for watching today, and have a great day. Bye bye.